Hello everyone and welcome to day 20 of the Daniel's fast. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this medley of roasted root vegetables. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. For this medley we used rainbow carrots, parsnip, and gold beets. We're going to rinse each vegetable, then we're going to cut off the tops and ends, peel them, and cut them up. To a mixing bowl, we're going to combine 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Then we're going to add in our vegetables. We're going to toss our vegetables and make sure that they're well coated with the oil mixture. We're going to add our veggies to a baking dish. Then we're going to bake our vegetables at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it, roasted root vegetables. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Servants, do what you are told to do by your earthly masters, and don't just do the minimum that will get you by. Do your best. Work from the heart for your real master, for God, confident that you'll get paid in full when you come into your inheritance. Keep in mind always that the ultimate master you are serving is Christ. The sullen servant who does shoddy work will be held responsible. Being a follower of Christ doesn't cover up bad work.